So I'm going to rework myself again. I'm taking another look at the Sword of Sauron, and I'm kind of surprised how off I was the first time with the first look. The reference is a bit tricky, and we don't have a lot of angles, but this is the original on the right, and I've been reworking and checking the distances. It is a lot of big changes I've had to make. I mean, the reason I've revisited it was to see if I could make detachable blades here at the top of this kind of mace type thing. It's similar to the Sauron mace. So I wanted to make these detachable so they can slot in. So yeah, I'm kind of surprised to see how far off I am. Let's just look at the distances here. We've got this ring, this ring, this ring, this ring. They're crucial, the distances. How did I get this? It's completely ridiculous. And the rings look so mean and thin. And then these blades they were way off. Yeah, I've got a photograph here. So they're quite chunky. Mine were a bit too thin. The edges weren't. The bevel wasn't really generous enough either. Spikes, everything just not very well understood. But the main thing is this weird pommel, this curved kind of cone business. I think I really misunderstood that. And the fact that on the inside, I thought I had very cleverly created this curve. It really is more like a sort of Boolean egg shape, a stretched sphere, an orb type thing. So that was cut out. Yeah, right. Now, the other main difference is it's actually slightly flattened. You can see in the ref, it's a little bit hard to read, but it's kind of confirmed. The handle is flattened slightly. It's more of an oval. And I'm just going to keep working in the circular at the moment and then do that after. But yeah, way off on that one. And I was quite pleased with it because I thought it was hard to read and I thought I had done a good job. Anyway, onwards and upwards. So I need 6 of these, I still believe. Although that was confusing at one point as well. Put that at home. Duplicate. 60. 60. 60. 60. And 60. Right. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah. Now we are talking. Oh my god. That's truly terrifying. And what's this piece of crap on the right? Who did that? Oh, it was me. I'm sorry. You see, there's even this interesting join here. There's a slight kind of rise up into that. You see here. So that's much better understood. The only thing I'm not sure is maybe the first point, the first kind of pointy bit needs to be more level with the middle of this cone affair. So I think I'm just going to adjust that. What about, just going to merge all these. And then do a daring 6-point. I'm enjoying this 6-point radial. No, that would be in the X, not the Z. Would it? I can't see 6 points there. Aha. 6 in the Y. Oh, one of them looks off. That one's off. To hell with it. Delete, delete, delete. Alright, just going to fix that. So I want it to be accurate. There's a line here, I believe. Yeah. Needs to go even higher. Shockingly. Why does that? Okay. I mean, this ring isn't really there, it's just to give me a nice kind of join between the two. Okay. The trouble is this back wrist, this front view is not, it's not really a front view in terms of the rotation. It feels strange. It doesn't feel like it's. It feels a bit random the way the. Okay, so there's one in the middle. Right, yeah, okay. What we have is we better get these in the right place. Yeah. You see, according to the reference, I don't want to bring that up actually. But when I look at it like this, it looks low. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit, and then do the rotation. Okay, so I was saying the original one needs to be there, and then I can get all my others. Okay. 60. It's getting a bit late here, I'm kind of tired. Okay, good. Let's have a look at that. Come on. I don't need all this symmetry. Right. Feels nice. Yeah, it's just a lot better. That one or that one. God, what was I doing? So there you are. There we have it. I think a much improved edit on the Sword of Sauron. Yeah, much more acceptable. Please get rid of that other one. A great embarrassment. So there we are. Much better. Right. Thank you.